everyone. My name is Palak Samel. I am from Mitchell International and I'm the Director of Product Management. I oversee our Mitchell Connect and Mitchell Cloud Estimating Solutions. And today I'm here to talk about Mitchell Cloud Estimating and all the great things we've done with it, as well as integrated repair procedures, and just give you a very sneak peek of what it looks like and how the integrated repair procedures work, as well as how it's been a very beneficial aspect of our GM collision repair network program. So I have here on the iPad open Mitchell Connect. I'm in a job overview. For this specific job, it's a Toyota Camry, and there's already an estimate that's been started, and I'm going to just go ahead and go into it. And while that opens up, I also want to show you in the background, I have the same thing showing on a bigger screen, just to showcase the fact that we are device agnostic, browser agnostic. You could pick up an iPad, or you could work off of your machine on a MacBook, on a Windows book, whatever kind of system that you want to operate on. And here I'll go ahead and show you a couple of quick things. I'm going to take us into adding a few parts, just show you what the graphics looks like. You could zoom in and out, enlarge the graphic if you would like to be able to see what the parts look like. You could see the colors. They notate any special materials as well, so that's really helpful when you're working from a mobile device, trying to understand what type of parts are on the car. Let's go ahead and go into the side here. I already have a few parts added for the front bumper. So let's go into the quarter hinge pillar. I can select it from the screen, or I can select it from the list here. Go ahead and select the part and add it to the estimate. It's as simple as a few clicks, and you can see the part gets added to the estimate, and it will start building your estimate lines for you. And then within the estimate view, you should be able to go to this little book icon, which notates that there are repair procedures available for that specific operation and for that specific line. So let's say I want to understand how I'm going to remove and replace this bumper. I can go ahead and click on those little book icons, click on the procedures. It will open it right into a new window and walk me through all the procedures to perform this specific operation. And there's links within that as well, so I can continue to navigate and find all the appropriate technical documentation, diagrams, and information that I need to properly repair this vehicle. So the integrated repair procedures are as simple as that, in a few clicks in the estimate itself.